Hello friend, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new on my YouTube channel, please press the bell icon and also subscribe my YouTube channel so you can watch my video first. So I'll tell you that after the COVID, with the most of the guys, they are thinking that if they can do the job from home and earn the money from there, so it is easy for them because the world face crisis after the COVID, and the people they don't find the job. So they think that might be if we can start the job from home, so it is easy for us that we can earn money from there. So earning extra money can help the pupil for their basic needs and the for their increase for their lifestyle. So online money in these day, the pupil they earn a lot there. So I'll tell you that how you can earn money from there. You can earn money by writing, editing, proofreading are easy anywhere. If you have a computer or laptop, then you can earn money. If you have a by the way reading word, you can earn money by writing online opportunity, chance for writing income about from article to ebook to create a blogging jobs basically is called blogging. Okay, so if you are interested in the sort of position, it helps to have a strong command of English grammar and of different writing style book and their formatting requirements. However, if you are fluent in other language, you can also pick up a job translating content from one language to another. These type of job also involve negotiation and client who need you writing service. So it is essential that you have effective communication skill and can respond quickly to email and request from those clients, because you can do this type of work from just about any computer. It can be a great way to make money, not just at home but also anywhere in the world. You can also earn money proofreading or editing other rights work. You can even bring speech and videos to a page as a transcriber. As with writing, these positions do require strong language skill, but the convenience also, but the communication alone can make the job worth it. Also, you will likely have a deadline. You can do this type of work just about just about whenever you have a time. So these are the work that you can do from home, and it's easy for you that you can earn money too for your basic need and for your money and for your education. So again, I will request you that please subscribe my YouTube channel, also press the bell icon so you can watch my video first. Thank you very much. I'll meet you in the next video.